In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Zoho CRM IMAP error, which is one of the most common issues users face when trying to sync their external mailboxes. An IMAP error in Zoho CRM typically happens when the connection between the Zoho platform and your email provider, such as Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo, is broken or interrupted. This can prevent you from seeing your prospect emails and managing your sales pipeline effectively. If this video helps you get your email back on track, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more expert CRM tutorials. Alright, let's get started with the troubleshooting process. The first and most frequent cause of this error is an outdated credential or a password change that wasn't updated in the system. To begin fixing this, you need to open your browser and navigate to the Zoho CRM dashboard. Once you are logged in, look for the settings icon, which looks like a small gear in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Click on that to open the setup menu. Under the Channels section, you will see an option for Email. Go ahead and click on Email. This will display your current email configuration settings. You should see your problematic email address listed there. To update the credentials, click the small pencil icon, which is the Edit button next to your email address. Now, if you have recently changed your password on your email provider's side, this is where you need to enter the new one. Simply type your updated email password into the password field and click Save. Sometimes, simply re-saving the existing password can trigger a successful reconnection. If updating the password doesn't solve the issue, we need to verify the server details manually. Within the same email settings menu, check to ensure that the incoming server is set correctly for your specific provider. If you are using Gmail, the server must be set to imap.gmail.com with the port number set to 993. If you are an Outlook or Office 365 user, the server should be outlook.office365.com, also using port 993. It is absolutely crucial to make sure that the encryption method is set to SSL. Without the correct encryption and port settings, the connection will fail every time, even if your password is correct. Double-check every character in the server address to ensure there are no typos. Once you have verified the server name, the port, and the SSL encryption, click Save once more and attempt to run a test sync. You should now see a success message indicating that your IMAP connection is active and stable. This ensures that all your incoming customer communications will flow seamlessly back into your lead and contact records. And that is it. You have successfully resolved the Zoho CRM IMAP error and restored your email connectivity. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. See you in the next guide.